I need to get this bidet off to replace the trap, but I can't get it off the wall because some moron stuck it with silicone. And I don't mean just the silicone around the outside, I mean like all around the back. And the reason why I know that's been done is because this one here I had to take off previously. No screws in it, just massive lumps of silicone. I could only just get this scraper down just to pull this off. Next move, turn the water off, eh? Look down there. What's missing there, eh? I only just managed it, but I couldn't do it with this one. The reason why they've done it, there's underfloor heating under here and they didn't want to risk putting the fixings in, so there's no fixings there. When I put that back, I didn't put any fixings in. It's enough to just silicone around the whole toilet, even like on the back there. That's got no fixings in, but it will hold in place just fine with the outside silicone. I've already scored the edge of this with my utility knife and I know that I can't, it doesn't move, so that's stuck down there. You might be able to saw it off, but this is a little bit too close. I could have used this if it wasn't so tight up to that. So we need to go for another option. Okay, first one. This is like a cheese cutting wire or clay cutting wire. It is stainless steel, it is braided. If it snaps, I have got this stainless steel wire. This is 0.6mm, I know definitely. That's not braided though. Failing that, we've got this other option, and then I've got this fine wire. This is 0.08mm. I'll leave a link in the description for the ones that I got. I'm going to try this one first. I think it's probably the best option. The trouble is, it's not very long. So if you look at the width of it, I'm only going to have, what, 100mm of saw in action. I assume the braided bit is going to help break through it. Let's try it. The handles come off straight away. Hang on. Oh, you fucker. Okay, before I swap to the other tool, I'm just going to use the other handle. I'm going to wrap this round. Okay, that should be easier. Jesus Christ. Snapped it. I've got the thinnest wire, 0.08. I've got a feeling this is going to snap, but it might just be able to get behind this. Snapped. Snapped. Oh, Jesus Christ. Okay, these handles, 0.6mm stainless steel wire. Oh no! Okay, failed again. Okay, we're still trying this. Use this, same as I used on that. Fully detach the bottom now, so it goes all the way through. So I use the combination of that and this one, and then the blade, fully cut down the side. And now I can move it off the bottom. Might be able to lever it off the wall, but it might crack. So I'm going to lift it up. Lou's dad's going to put this under there, and then we're going to try and get a gap over here that I can get something in. Yeah. I might get another one under. Yeah. Oh, it's coming. Another one. That wasn't the tile, was it? No, it's not the tile, was it? No.
No, bloody sound like it. Teamwork.
Well, that was a fucking nightmare, but we got there in the end. So yeah, one of them techniques will work for you. Don't know which one, just try all of them and be careful of your fingers.